Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your folder is empty but file are present in the folder and it's probably show that there is storage or space being occupied. In set of folder, let's just say for example you had a folder, open it, open it, and it just says that maybe like a gigabyte of space being used, but you don't see anything in here. We need to go to view button and go to show button and click on hidden items, enable it. I'm showing again, this tick mark will be, you need to be tick it. And another way guys, go to search menu and type file explorer option, OPTION, file explorer option, go to view, and here want to show hidden file folder and drives, click apply and OK. That's it guys, hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching my video guys, give me a thumbs up. Thank you, goodbye.